Welcome to this video on how to grow a YouTube channel effectively. Whether starting from scratch or looking to boost an existing channel, these proven strategies will help increase visibility, engagement, and subscribers. Number 1. Define a clear niche. Focus on a specific topic or audience. A clear niche helps attract viewers who are genuinely interested in the content. Avoid covering too many unrelated subjects, as this can confuse the audience and the algorithm. Number 2. Optimize video titles and thumbnails. Create eye-catching thumbnails and titles that spark curiosity while staying relevant to the content. Use keywords naturally in titles to improve search visibility. Thumbnails should be bright, clear, and consistent with the channel's branding. Number 3. Use keywords and tags strategically. Research keywords using tools like Google Trends or YouTube's search suggestions. Include these keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags to help videos appear in search results and recommended feeds. Number 4. Focus on watch time and retention. Engage viewers from the first few seconds. Use hooks, storytelling, and pacing to keep them watching. Longer watch times signal to YouTube that the content is valuable, leading to better recommendations. Number 5. Post consistently. Develop a regular upload schedule. Consistency helps build audience trust and signals to YouTube that the channel is active. Even one high-quality video per week can make a difference.